When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. SereneLife's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by SereneLife.